Okay, so we're going to break this lesson up into two parts. The first, the A section and the B section. And we're going to cover the harmony first, the chords, and then the melody. Now, lucky for us, the chords are really pretty simple. We're not in the most guitar-friendly key, but that doesn't matter because it's a totally doable key. Instead of E minor, we're in E flat minor. So instead of playing your E minor like this, we're going to play E flat minor. Just a half step down. That's all it is. So on the 5th string, we're going to play E flat, 6th fret. Not 6th string. On the 5th string, 5th string, 6th fret. Blah. The numbers and all that is too complicated. It's an E flat. Just know that it's an E flat. So 6, 8, 8, 7. Right? And I'm playing with my fingers, and what I'm doing, there's only 2 chords in the A section. E flat minor, B flat minor 7. And the way I'm playing it, I'm playing the bass note of the E flat first, and then using my 3 fingers of my right hand to play strings 4, 3, and 2. And then I play with my thumb of my right hand, I play the 6th fret, 6th string, and I'm barring the 6th fret, and then I play the same set of strings, 4, 3, and 2 with the rest of my fingers. And that's the whole thing, the A section, that's it. All you need to do is play it faster. So it's 1 and 2 and, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, right? Take a listen to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And he does that over and over and over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So you have to really feel that 5. Ba da ba da boo da do da 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 do da do da 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 boo da. And it's really actually pretty easy to feel that in this song because the groove is just so solid. You know, it feels like 3 plus 2 almost. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You know, you could think about 5s in a bunch of different ways, right? And we're not going to go into all the various combinations of, you know, combos of 5, 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 4. Like, there's all these various combinations you can feel. In this one, it really feels like 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Right? So that's kind of what we're after. Now the melody starts on the B flat, so it starts on 4, 5. So that's 4 and 5 and what we're doing, we're taking our middle finger on the D string and we're just climbing up, we're kind of barring our middle finger, or we're doing this kind of like roll on the middle finger. So 8, 8 on strings D and G, and then 7 on the B string, 9 on the B string, and then we hit the A natural with our pinky on the B string 10th fret, and slide up and down 1 and 2 on the beginning of the song. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? But it's swung. Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. And you just kind of slide 10, 11, 10 back to 9 and 7. And then we play B flat, 8th fret, D string, D flat, 6th fret, G string, and then 8th fret, 6th string, E flat. Two, 3. And when we hit that E flat, that's the downbeat of the next measure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 5. So hard to count while I'm playing. Sorry about that. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 1. There we go. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. And then we do that. 4E and a 1. I'm sorry, 4E and a 5. Right? And we're hammering on now. F to G flat. 6 to 7. Pulling off. Playing E flat. And then landing on the 5th beat on D flat on the G string. And then bouncing to E flat on the G string. And then we do the same phrase on 4 and 5, but now we're doing 6, 8, 6 on the G string, and then 8 on the D string, before 6 on the D string, and back to 8. So it's the two little phrases are one more time. And that's like the whole melody the first time through. And then it repeats. Except this time the little licks are reversed. So this time, the two little fast licks are just in the opposite order. Instead of starting on the B string, you start on the G string. But it's the same lick. And that's the whole A section, that's it. There we have it. So if I play this with a loop, here's my loop. 1, 2, 3. Right? One more time. Let's loop this a little slower. So we'll go. There's my loop. Time. One more time. So satisfying to play, and once you get that, you'll just want to keep doing it over and over and over again. So if you have a looper pedal, use it, man, because it's really, really fun. So that's the main idea, and the only thing I can really offer as far as technical help on this is that. So what I want you to do, you need to be able to do that and just do a trill. If you can do that trill, and then a quick one, I want you to be able to do that. And then once you can do that successfully, I want you to go. And then you can kind of slowly speed that up, which means if you can only go this fast, that's fine. Play at that speed. That's fine, right? But the idea is to get that snap. Right? And you don't want your whole hand to move. You just want that finger to kind of snap like a rubber band and bounce back. And once you can get that, then the rest of the song becomes really, I mean, the whole song is pretty easy, technically speaking. Other than that, it's just a really satisfying one to play. So, on to the B section.